Hi, welcome to our channel. Today I'm introducing to you a new hand coffee grinder from 1Zpresso, the K-Max. A combination of the K Pro and K Plus with a slimmer magnetic cash cup without the blind shaker. The main difference is only the body color and the cash cup as shown here. Now for the unboxing. A card with the QR code for online menus. It comes in a cylindrical hard carry case. A dual head cleaning brush, hand air blower, anti-slip rubber, crank handle set, the main unit. According to 1Zpresso classification, the color is dark blue. Semi-transparent lid. A cushion at the bottom of the cash cup to prevent damage to your tabletop and also to dampen the sound when patting the cash cup after grinding. Magnetic cash cup, and the maximum coffee grounds capacity for the cash cup is 35 to 40 grams. An external top adjustment dial that allows speedy and easy adjustment to your preferred grind setting. A total of 9 numbers and 90 clicks on the dial. Each click shifts the grind size by 22 microns. .48mm stainless steel cable. Ideal for a wide variety of brewing methods including espresso. We have received questions from customers on whether the magnetic cash cup from the K Plus with the blind shaker is compatible with K-Max. The answer is no. The K Plus cash cup is bigger in size, whereas the K-Max cash cup is slimmer. See the difference? Let me show to you for your better understanding. See the difference? That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching.